B for betrayal. BJP promised अच्छे दिन. BJP promised अच्छे दिन before coming to power. BJP promised अच्छे दिन before coming to power in 2014, sir. Sir, what has they done? What has they done? They have betrayed the citizens. They have betrayed the housewives, betrayed daily wage earners, betrayed farmers. सुनने का हिम्मत रखिए, सुनने का हिम्मत रखिए. Sir, price rise. Sir, a home cooked veg thali costs 8% more year on year in April 2024. Onions are up by 43%, 41%, and potatoes 39%.
निर्मला सीतारामन बोलবে কিন্তু निर्मला सीतारामन বলতে দেব না, একদম বলতে দেব না निर्मला सीतारामनকে, একদম बैठाइए उनको, बैठाइए निर्मला सीतारामन
एक को बोलने की इजाजत है. Sir, I have a lot of patience.
Please, Dada, बैठे.
So these things will not distract me. You can just ask them to have patience and listen to what I say, and then the minister can reply. He is not going to become the minister. This is not going to score in brownie points.
इधर बोलिए. Please.
Sir, BJP promised अच्छे दिन before coming to power in 2014.
Dada, please.
But what has they done? Betrayed citizen, betrayed housewives, betrayed daily wage earners, betrayed farmers. Sir, price rise. A home cooked veg thali costs 8% more year on year in April 2024. Onions are up by 43%. Tomatoes 41%. Potatoes 39%. LPG gas cylinders prices crossed 1100 in 2023. Household savings plummeted to a 50-year low in 2023, with household debt reaching a record high of 39.1% of GDP in 2024. Sir, in case of earnings, 63 crore people earn less than 308 rupees a day, and 18 crore people earn less than 180 rupees a day. If the NDA government in the last 10 years had spent even a quarter of time it dedicated to political witch hunting and spreading communal hatred on addressing the real issue for the interest of the people, India would not be ranking 111th out of 125 countries in the global hunger index. These people sitting here in the treasury bench needs to know. So they betrayed the marginalized communities. They spoke about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, which turned into Jo Hamare Saath, Hum Unke Saath, as admitted by BJP MLA and the leader of opposition in Bengal Assembly, and proved right by the failed finance minister of this failed government yesterday. So crime against scheduled caste and scheduled tribes increased by 13% and 14% respectively from 2021 to 2023. Uttar Pradesh, they speak about double engine government. They are trying to defame Bengal. But let me give you a data which was given by the Social Empowerment Justice Ministry last year, which was given by the minister himself in Rajya Sabha in June 2023, which proves that Uttar Pradesh have the highest number of cases of atrocities against Dalit, followed by Rajasthan. Sir, who is in power in Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan? Can these two who are shouting at the top of their voices answer? Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? after the Mangalsutra and Mujra, sir, after the Mangalsutra and Murja vilification episode, the government of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, in their infinite wisdom, have mandated that eateries, along with the Kawar Jatra route, display the name of owners and staff members. A move clearly intended to instigate hate speeches and hate crimes targeting the minority community. We commend and thank the Honorable Supreme Court for swiftly intervening with a stay order against all these discriminatory directives. Sir, vacancies in tribal schools, 10,000 vacancies still lying left in Eklavya school, residential school, remains unfilled as of today. Sir, religious representation. Sir, religion belongs to an individual, whereas a festival is for everyone. Like the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal has said, Dharmo jar jar, Utsav shobar. BJP doesn't have a single Muslim MP. Sir, listen to this. The whole country needs to know. That BJP doesn't have a single Muslim MP in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha or any state assembly.
एक नहीं बल्कि 3 बार अनपार्लियामेंट्री लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल करा है। 2021 की आप ही की रूलिंग है। बिट्रेड शब्द और बिट्रेल अनपार्लियामेंट्री कैटेगरी में आता है, वो इसका इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते। इसके अलावा उन्होंने मिनियन शब्द का इस्तेमाल करा जो आपत्तिजनक है। इन्होंने व्यक्तिगत टिप्पणी करी हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी पर और इसेंट्रिक शब्द का इस्तेमाल करा। मेरा आपसे निवेदन है कि इन दोनों के लिए, इनको तीनों बातों के लिए इनको माफी मांगनी चाहिए और रिकॉर्ड से ये तीनों शब्द एक्सपंज होने चाहिए।
सब आप सारा विषय जो आपने उठाया मैं उसको चेक करूंगा और माननीय सदस्यों से मेरा आग्रह है कि कई माननीय सदस्य आसन को चुनौती देते हैं, आसन पर टिप्पणी करते हैं। मैं सभी दलों के माननीय सदस्यों को कह रहा हूँ, इससे बचना चाहिए, उचित नहीं है। किशन रेड्डी जी।
बहुत मिनिस्ट्रीज के अभी यूसी सर्टिफिकेट्स कुछ स्टेट से नहीं आते हैं कि उससे अलग अलग स्टेटों से महिला के पर अत्याचार हुआ, 0 एक भी नहीं है। किसानों का अत्याचार हुआ, 0 कुछ भी नहीं है। आज देश में एक प्रांत ऐसा है, उस प्रांतों में ना किसानों का आत्महत्या होता है, ना महिलाओं का आत्महत्या होता है, ना महिलाओं का अत्याचार होता है। एक ही स्टेट है ये। आज जब तक अभी जो भाषण सुना है वो उत्तर प्रदेश के वो वेस्ट बंगाल के बारे में बात करना था, वो शब्द पूरा इधर यूज किया है। ये पूरा भाषण जो अभिषेक बनर्जी जी दिए आदरणीय सदस्यों, पूरा भाषण वो वेस्ट बंगाल के सरकार के लिए है, भारत सरकार के लिए नहीं है।